What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Dre. Be sure to wait to the end of the video for a special giveaway. A little something special for y'all. But before I get on to it, let's check out the music video, Stop the Rain. Now, I love me some TABLO. Epic High TABLO, iconic, legendary, trendsetters. Thank you. I think that's one of the greatest things to bless my ears is TABLO and Epic High. And this is a collab with another artist that has blessed my ears is RM of BTS. BTS, RM, TABLO, Epic High, collaboration, give it to me. I need it. Especially the minds of TABLO and RM. They geniuses in my own world. I would like to call them geniuses. I like to call them music geniuses. First off rip, I see a lot of Easter eggs in here. We got we got one of the greatest light sticks ever to be created. Epic High right here. I think that's Epic High. Like all three of them. The cards, which I'll get more into a little bit later. Isn't this the same kid from the album cover Map of a Human Soul? Oof, what a good album. I mean, there's so many Easter eggs. There's like the shoes, the ballerina shoes. Like I could name a lot of them. Literally almost basically everything in here is an Easter egg. If you guys want to, please list all the Easter eggs in the comments down below. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's dive deep into this one right here. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, the cat. It's almost like a lo-fi vibe. Like the lo-fi girl.
Hello, rainy day.
Ooh. Off the bat. The cat kind of scared me a little bit. Oh, I love a good Epic High song. Epic High, RM, BTS. I'm all in with a losing hand. I'm all in. Get some coffee in my system.
Teachers call me rebel, parents call me lost, pastors call me devil, had me kneeling at the cross.
Parents call me Icarus, lost. Like, I guess like flew too close to the sun. Sorry, let's just run through this before pausing a bunch of times. The second run I'll go through all of it.
Teachers call me rebel, parents call me lost, pastors call me devil, had me kneeling at the cross. Since I was a youngin', I was called names and bossed around, back to the wall so long, call me pain's poster child. Religious home times were different, they told me I was gifted, but to unwrap my mind was wicked. I was raised by guilt, raised by shame, raised by the rod.
What?
Claimed it was love, felt like heartbreak to me. Later they say, baby, all your scars are to teach and remind you you can soar higher. What good's a bird's eye view when you're in a hunter's crossfire? Oof. Sometimes I wished I got crushed in the womb. Turned to dust in the womb.
What?
I sent the youth an ungodly perfume. No wonder I've always hated the adults in the room.
Oh, RM's voice. Okay. Trying to stop the rain.
Can't run away from the pain. I feel like I'm going insane. Bad thoughts filling up my brain.
No.
Demons swimming inside my veins.
I mean, it's real though, bro.
Can't run away from the pain. I'm trying to stop the rain.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club. I'm 29.
Oh, you're 20. That's right. What? Bruh, sorry. If you hear noise in the background, that's just my roommates. But let's lock in. He said,
Kid, I was convinced that I was
destined for the 27 club. Wait, since you were a kid?
I'm trying to stop the rain.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club.
RM. Now, if you guys don't know what the 27 Club is, a lot of famous names that died around 27. Very special people. Very, very like... Sorry, give me a moment. Because, like... That's such a deep cut. Like, since I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 Club. Alright. I'm June. Sorry. Caught me off guard with that one. Damn. Okay.
I'm 29, sinking in the bathtub, sipping gin, looking for another club. The lust was a lust, dust into dust. Stray after stable, dashing dark to your dark.
Yeah.
Every night I put my shadows on. But you know how much I hate my status quo. I know what you gotta know, my life is out of love. All the lessons learned already coming out of trust.
Keep my mind steady, but it's hard to readjust. Nothing stops time, but the clock will turn to rust.
Pain and rain, this will stay the same.
Got me looking for the exit just to end.
Ooh, I like the back and forth.
Pain and rain, think I'm going insane.
Gotta turn off my phone tonight. Can't run away from the pain. I feel like I'm gone insane. Bad thoughts feeling on my brain. Tell me swimming inside my veins.
2 seconds from falling into nothing.
Can't run away from the pain.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
Whew, man, this is hitting my soul, bro. The animation's fire too, but the lyrics just hit me. Oh, is that it? Bro, you got me. Look, oh, I didn't know how bad. I knew I was tearing up, but goddamn, I did. Some of the lyrics. Damn, it just hits my soul, especially as a young like teenager, 20-year-old growing up. Especially in my 20s. Especially now, bro. I'm like in my 30s, but I have tough times, man. I have tough times. And this just hit a different part of me that I don't usually like to show all the time. But congrats, TABLO and RM. You got me tearing up. Damn. Alright, let's run it back one more time, y'all.
Hello, rainy day.
Hello, rainy day. That cat got me like tripping. Has anything else changed except for the cat? Except for the kid too? We all have our rainy days too. That's the thing. Oh, and this light stick was bright as well.
Hello, rainy day.
Oh, it's still shining bright though. That one. Anything else change? Nothing really else changed. It seemed like.
Hello, rainy day.
You know, we all have our rainy days, man.
TABLO.
RM.
And he's just leaving, going through the door.
With a losing hand.
I'm all in with a losing hand, bro. I swear to God, every time TABLO got these freaking like quotables, like he got quotables upon quotables, bro, that I still reference to this day. The same cards that are actually in the music video are same right here, and it seems like the 2 cards that are out right now in the music video. Let me just take them out quickly. Lady who's under the umbrella, just crying, right here. You see right here, and then the Joker itself right here too. Who it seems to be Icarus. I mean, he does reference Icarus. I'm not sure if that's Icarus actually, but this is the Joker. Let's see right here, the red and black one right here too. But it's not shown yet.
Teachers call me rebel, parents call me lost.
So parents call me lost, but it has Icarus, but it's crossed out and put as lost. Now Icarus, I feel like TABLO and Epik or RM and BTS have talked about Icarus or has featured Icarus in some of their, whether it be lyrics or music videos. Like with Epik, they have Icarus Walks. One of my favorite BTS like music videos, Blood, Sweat, and Tears. I've been watching that like still to this day. They do have a painting of the falling Icarus. It's called The Fall of Icarus. So they're both kind of intertwining in both Icarus, it seems like.
Pastors call me devil, had me kneeling at the cross. Since I was a youngin', I was called names and bossed around. Back to the wall so long, call me Pain's poster child. Religious
Pain's
times
poster
were different.
child.
They told me I was gifted, but to unwrap my mind was wicked. I was raised by guilt, raised by shame, raised by the rod.
Man, bloody calf sacrifice in the name of their God. Damn, boy, you be so.
They claimed it was love, felt
Bruh.
like heartbreak to me. Later they say, baby, all your scars are to teach and remind you you can soar higher. What good's a bird's eye view when you're in a hunter's crossfire? Sometimes I wished I got crushed in the womb.
Damn. Sometimes I wish I got crushed in the womb.
Turned to dust in the womb. My scent of youth and ungodly perfume. No wonder I've always hated the adults in the room.
It really be about them adults. Then RM comes in with the kid who grows wings and then it disperses, kind of like Icarus wings who melted, quote unquote. I forgot Icarus because he fell too close to the sun.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club. I'm 29, sinking in the bathtub, sipping gin, looking for another club. All the lust was a lust, dust into dust. Stray after stable, dashing dot to your dot. And every night I put my shadows on. But you know how much I hate my status quo.
Dang, man. Having TABLO and RM in one song, you already know it's gonna be it's gonna cut you like a knife, man. That's what it did to me, man. Whew. And I like how TABLO cuts in saying be positive. That is because he was just being negative. Like, obviously we get in our own minds and brains, but it's be positive in quotation marks, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shout out to Blood, Sweat. But you know, my life is out of love. Blood plus sweat, like blood, sweat, and tears. Oh snap! There we go.
Gotta know my life is out of love. All the lessons learned already coming out of trust.
Keep my mind steady, but it's hard to.
I love this back and forth.
Nothing stops time, but the clock will turn to rust.
Pain and rain, this will stay the same.
Got me looking for the exit just to entertain. Pain and rain, think I'm going insane.
Gotta turn off my phone.
Felt that.
Can't run away from the pain. I feel like I'm gone insane.
I love the animation in this, bro.
2 seconds from falling into nothing.
Can't run away from the pain.
I'm trying to stop
the rain. I'm trying to stop the rain, stop the tears, everything, bro.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
He's crossed out forever. I'm trying to stop the forever rain.
Stop the rain.
I'm trying to
Stop the rain. Whew. And yeah, same card right there. That card is similar to this, except it doesn't say stop the rain. As you see right here. Whew. Oh my God. That was an amazing journey, an emotional journey, and I'm curious to what you guys think. Put it in comments down below. I know we all have stories. We've all been through like where it rains, it pours type of vibe. You know what I'm saying? And to be honest, I've been through times where I'm at my worst, but whether I'm listening to BTS or Epik High or any of my faves, they got me through those troubling times. Let me know how, let's say, BTS helped you, how Epik High or TABLO helped you, how a certain artist helped you. All right, now let's talk about the giveaway. If you reached this far, bro, I was tearing up. Them lyrics cut me open. I'm not gonna lie, like I was going through it. Oof. If you haven't checked out the MV, be sure to check out Stop the Rain on Epik High's YouTube channel, please. Anyways, you probably saw on TABLO's socials that as a thank you to his fans, he is giving away extremely, and I'm talking about extremely limited edition card decks that cannot be bought anywhere. This right here. The only way to get them is through certain giveaways. And guess what? This is one of those giveaways. Shout out to TABLO. He has given me lucky number 13 out of 99. To get these decks of cards, it's a story. Now, TABLO already knows this. His team already knows this. This is not the deck I'm supposed to be receiving. Now, I know you're probably thinking like, Dre, then what? How'd you get the deck then? The original deck for me and the deck for the winner of this giveaway has gone missing. Don't ask me. Listen, I don't know how it happened too. I just received this deck and then got the story that I wasn't supposed to receive this one right here. But I'm lucky enough. So the lucky number 13. So I thank TABLO. Thank you for lucky number 13. From what I was told, they were either stolen or missing out here in LA somewhere. I don't know. I don't really get out much, so I don't know where it would be. But before you go looking around LA for them, here's some steps to win this giveaway. Step 1, be sure to like this post and follow TABLO on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Be sure to subscribe to the Epik High YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe to JREAMERS, as you should. And step 3, be sure to tag a friend. Now, since this is an Epik High and BTS like collaboration, well, TABLO and RM, let me know in the comments down below as a bonus, what's your favorite Epik High song or BTS song or Epik High and BTS song? Let me know in the comments down below as well. Now, if you're seeing this on YouTube, this giveaway is going on my Instagram. It's an Instagram giveaway, so be sure to go follow me on Instagram and go participate in Instagram. Go comment over there. Now, I'll be choosing a winner on May 12th via IG story. Now, there are other giveaways out there. Be sure to check out TABLO's IG post because he has a bunch of giveaways happening. And just to make sure this is all known, this giveaway is global. It's for everybody. Everybody. You. Yes, you too. All right, good luck to everybody. Shout out to TABLO and RM. Shout out to the TABLO team. Shout out to Epik High. Shout out to BTS. I love y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck to everybody. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.